Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we'll be checking out this wireless speaker system, and RIVA was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now this is going to be their wand series. Has a whole bunch of instructions and stuff that comes with it, although it's pretty simple to use. You're just going to go into your app, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and boom, you are good to go. You can also hardwire it, connect it here in the back if you would like to, if that's your thing. This thing has some weight to it, has some nice size speakers in here, and it sounds absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and play you a little bit of sound so that you can hear how it sounds, obviously. I've got some music here that is licensed through Epidemic Sounds. If you ever need some music and you're a content creator, whatever, Epidemic Sound, pretty cool, not sponsored. So here we go. All right, so hopefully you could hear that. I only have it on about 30%, but I've cranked this bad boy up to 100%, and even at 100%, there is absolutely no distortion. Sounds amazing. Like, sounds really good. I really like it. I saw some complaints on the product review page about connecting to Chrome and stuff. However, I had zero issues connecting to Chrome. Like I said, I just followed the instructions, powered it up, connected to Chrome, and I was good to go. You do also have some buttons here on the top so that you can control it locally if you would like to. But other than that, really cool little system here. Has a mounting hole there in the back. Doesn't have one here on the bottom, I don't believe. Let's see, there's a little cover down here on the bottom. Looks like you could connect that to something. It's got some little metal things on there. I'm not sure what that is. Some type of interface cover. All right, cool. All right, but yeah, like I said, that has some weight to it right there. Overall, like I said, sounds really, really good. A lot better than some of the other little speakers that I've tested. So if you're interested in something like this, go ahead and check it out.